is part of the unseen? No, we cannot say this is يعني part of the unseen. Okay, يعني we expect يعني we are diagnosing that. Okay, like the doctor. Wallahi, most probably he has cancer, he has diabetes, he has hypertension. Okay, many times not sure. طيب, so يعني you know the people who are experienced in doing ruqya, okay, so they know this is evil eye, this is magic, or this is organic disease, or I mean physically ill. طيب, so this is not part of the unseen. This is not part of the unseen. Yes, some of them try to use the magic. I mean, also some people who claim that they are sheikh, they use the magic, or some of the sheikh use the jinn. Okay, also this is a serious issue, so we should be careful about that.